lecithin, erythritol. It has the word retinol on it, and that's all that really matters. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by today because you're curious what I received in the September Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Okay, so Ipsy, you done good. Well, bag's still a little late compared to my BoxyCharm. However, I got my September bag in the month of September. Actually, technically, this will be the second Ipsy Glam Bag Plus I received in September because my August box was really late. So let's dive in and see what I got. And I realized I selected 3 of the 5 items, and at the time I selected, they even showed the 2 items I was getting, but my memory's bad. I really try to avoid the spoilers on the emails, because honestly, the part I enjoy most about these beauty box subscriptions is the surprise element. I like to treat it like it's Christmas Day or my birthday, and ooh, what'd I get? So I'm on the fence. Let me take it back. When it comes to Ipsy, it's nice choosing what you want. That way you're satisfied. But then, on the other hand, you kind of miss out on the surprise element. But surprises can not always be good if you don't like the product. So it's So what I choose to do is pick and forget. So then it's a pseudo surprise. Or sometimes I'm like, oh yeah, I remember now. I believe this is going to be very skincare heavy. Alright, so let's slice open the bag. For those who are new to what Ipsy's all about, Ipsy is a $25 a month beauty subscription where you get 5 full-size products. Ipsy also offers, for $12 a month, another subscription level where you get, I believe it's 1 full size, and the other 4 items are travel size or deluxe sample. And then they offer a $50 a month bag, which you get, I believe it's 12 items, 8 are full size, and 4 are sample or deluxe sample. All right. Oh no. So last month we got this style of bag, and I thought that was like a one-time deal. This is more of a pouch than a bag. I miss, as ugly as some of their bags were, I miss, they used to send a bag with a zipper, which is more of a makeup bag. This is like a pouch, and I feel like I should hang out with Red Robin Hood. No, not Red Robin. I feel like me and Robin Hood should, you know, hang out and throw this on our horse saddle or something. I don't know. Comment down below. Do you guys enjoy these new pouch style bags from Ipsy? I miss the zipper kind. All right. First item. Ooh, it's an OFRA, I presume, lip gloss. OFRA lip gloss. Ooh, I like how it looks kind of marbled. This color is right up my alley. Let's give a little swatch. Oh, it's much less colorful swatch than it looked in here. I am already wearing a lip gloss, so if I put it on my lips, I don't even know how much will show up. But I'm excited to get this. Oh, and it does smell sweet. All right, next item. Ooh, Feel a palette of some sort. I'm going to go through all my items and then pull up on screen and reveal what I picked versus what they sent. Because honestly, I don't remember any of this stuff. Alright. This is makeup so far, and I honestly thought it was going to be all skincare. This is from Pacifica, and it's the Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronzer. I may have selected this. I do not recall. Oh, I like the packaging. So, you get the blush, the bronzer, and on the back, I don't want to blind you, is a mirror. So that's cool. And then if you open it, here, let's do some swatchy swatches. All right. I was worried that bronzer might be too dark for me, but it looks really good. Not too orangey. All right, we are 2 for 2. And if you watched any of my previous unboxing videos with Ipsy, we're off to a good start. All right, next item. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to assume that lime green, this is going to be Pixi by Petra. And this is an eyeliner, I presume. Or a very dark lip liner. Let's see what it says. Endless Silky Eye Pen, Pixi by Petra. Alright, it looks to be maybe a chocolatey brown. I have several pencils going at the moment, so I'm going to leave the little plastic bit on. But hey, I can always use an extra eyeliner. Alright, next item. Ooh, I like this brand. I think this might have come in the packaging, or in the bag. This is AVANT Hydrolyzed Collagen Lecithin Erythritol. It has the word retinol on it, and that's all that really matters. This is a Radiance Activator Serum. Ooh, it's probably going to be, yeah, it's safety sealed. This brand always comes safety sealed. I'm going to leave the safety seal on as I have numerous serums going at the moment. But I am loving this brand and this product. I'm super excited. Alright, this next one is, what is this? PUREHEALS Centella 80 Eye Cream. Oh, I love an eye cream. This one is safety sealed as well. But you know what? It's so loosely safety sealed. I'm just gonna, let's give this guy a try. It's right there. It looks, feels, it's very gel-like, so gel cream. It does have a slight scent of I'm not sure what. Alright. Are we 5 for 5? Why do I feel another item? I feel like something was an add-on, which I will get to the bottom. And I feel a card, but I think it's going to be an advert. Yep. Good vibes. Advert. Alright, what is this next item? Ooh, ILLAMASQUA. This looks to be some kind of skincare, and I've only received makeup from this brand. What is this? Ooh, fancy. What is this? Hydra Veil. Is this what it is? Oh, look at the little cute little spoon. Oh. Is this going to be like a primer? What is a Hydra Veil? Let me read this out of the box with the assistant of my friend, Old Lady Eyewear. Alright. This best-selling clear gel instantly helps skin feel hydrated and smooth. The lightweight water-based formula is quickly absorbed by the skin and is the perfect base for long-wear foundation application. The clear gel is infused with vitamin B3 and sodium hyaluronate that holds more than 1,000 times its weight in water. Is this a moisturizing primer? OMG. I love moisturizing. Oh my god, they were not kidding. This, I don't know, it's black. I don't know if it'll pick up. It's like Jello. It's like boing, boing, boing. OMG. It feels like, it looks like, I don't know if it'll pick up. It's right there. This is like really almost like aloe vera. Like that clear gel. Does have a slight, like it almost feels like hair gel. Like it's that consistency. It is a little tacky. It does have a slight smell of, I don't know what. Like it's a very soft, subtle, I don't want to say floral, like almost like, I don't know. But it smells good. All right. That was the last item. So, mystery time to try to figure out which of these 6 items, unless, did they send 6 items? No. One has got to be an add-on. Because at the bottom of the bag is another item, which I'm pretty sure is an add-on. But I will show it in case it's not. All right. So, this is the MURAD Essential C Day Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30. All right. Be back in a second. Reading what actually was in my bag versus, and then I can figure out what was an add-on. All right. So I was completely wrong. This MURAD was not an add-on. This is part of my bag. This ILLAMASQUA primer gel hyaluronic acid moisturizing super goop for your face was also in the bag. This eye cream was also in the bag. The AVANT was in the bag, and the OFRA lip gloss was in the bag. That is a really, 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 really good Ipsy bag. Now, granted, I got to pick 3 items, but even the other stuff, I like all 5 of these things. All right, so now that means these 2 were my add-ons, the blush, bronzer, and the eyeliner. All right, so old age does have some advantages. When your memory goes, it makes for more exciting unboxings because you forget. All right, let's see what the prices are. All right, the PUREHEALS Centella 80 Eye Cream retails for $29, and this is 30 milliliters. It says a potent combo of 80% Centella asiatica complex and adenosine help hydrate your eye area, plump up the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and create a lifting and tightening effect. This face here is going to put this to the test. All right, excited about that. All right, the AVANT Discovery Edit Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum retails for, shut up, $125. Okay, well, this brand is always really expensive, so that doesn't really surprise me, but it kind of does because that's a lot, and this as well is 30 milliliters. Okay. The ILLAMASQUA Hydra Veil Primer retails for $45, and this also is 30 milliliters. I'm hooked up on moisture and hydration this month. Yay! The MURAD Essential C-Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 retails for $65. She's tiny for $65. And this is 1.7 ounces, which would be 50 milliliters. All right, the OFRA Natural Lip Gloss retails for $15, and this is 6 milliliters. All right, so it turns out I chose the ILLAMASQUA primer, the MURAD SPF, and the OFRA lip gloss. So the lovely eye cream and the AVANT serum were from Ipsy. Thank you, Ipsy. What are your thoughts? Did you like my box? I loved my box. That's saying a lot for Ipsy. This was a really, really, really good box. Comment down below. Do you subscribe to Ipsy? Was your box as good as mine? Do you have box envy? What a 180 turn from my BoxyCharm this month, my Boxy Luxe. If you haven't seen that, check out that video. I'm a little, heads up, I'm a little cranky in that one because I only really like 1 out of the 8 products. When I did the review, I've come around a little bit, and I think I'm warming up to a couple other products. But this box was fantastic. Let's recap. We got our super expensive AVANT, what is this? Face cream or serum. We got an eye cream. We have a moisturizing primer. We have a lip gloss from OFRA. And a super expensive SPF 30 from MURAD. Whoa. That's a really good box. I also got a couple of add-ons. So overall, I'm super stoked. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts on my box, and click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.